While everybody else is telling you to focus on Facebook ads, people like myself are using Google ads in order to print money selling digital products. Who am I? I'm Brandon Belcher. I've been selling digital products for the past 17 years. And I'll tell you this, there's one company that I've been able to focus on, one platform, and that is Google. Google is a very powerful ad platform. They got the most powerful ad platform in the world. Why? Because as you can imagine, it's super intentional whenever somebody type in how to put a crying baby to sleep at 3 a.m. These problems right here and problems like this are problems that people want to solve. And this is exactly how I've been able to do it every single time. My process is stupid simple when it comes to this. The first thing I do is I choose a product to sell, usually a PDF that solves a problem. And I want what I call long tail keywords. And that keyword is similar to what I just said. I'm up at 3 a.m. How do I put my crying baby to sleep? That's a problem that a mom or dad wants solved. So imagine me having a PDF that's titled How to Put Your Baby to Sleep After 1 a.m. Something specific like that. Now, it may not sound like something that you would be interested in, but again, there's millions of moms and dads around the world that have this problem right here, and you could be a parent yourself that once had this problem before. So very hyper-specific PDFs and digital products that solve serious problems that cause parents and people overall a lot of pain is how the money is made. Now, imagine a parent searching for that keyword term or anything close to that at 2 a.m. and I have a $27 PDF. Well, that's how the money is made. This is exactly what I do, and I do this with so many different niches. And the ads that I like to focus on when it comes to Google are called Google search ads. Google search ads, of course, is exactly how it sounds. It's when people go to Google and type in a search query. Google search ads is also one of the fastest ads that Google like to activate. So that means I can go ahead and place an ad right now, and usually within an hour or two, that ad is live on Google. And not only that, I can go ahead and put a bunch of keywords that I want to target. And these keywords are going to all come with a certain amount of search volume every single month. So when it comes to the parenting space, and when it comes to parents that need to put their baby to sleep, trust me when I say this, there are millions and millions and millions of search queries every single month for that keyword, that long tail keyword, and also closely related keywords. So that's the power of Google as well. Even if you target one specific keyword, you can choose to also target closely related keywords as well. So if I put a keyword in and I want people, whoever's typing in how to put my baby to sleep at 1 a.m. or I'm up at 1 a.m. and my baby won't go to sleep. Well, I can tell Google, no matter if it's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., it doesn't matter. I can tell Google to target all of these people, and my PDF is going to be perfect for anybody that's having this problem right here. And again, there's millions of parents that have that specific problem. So you can do this with acne, like if somebody's have acne on their face. You can do this with weight loss if somebody is looking to lose weight. You can do it with relationships and dating if people are having problems landing dates. If people are struggling in their marriage and they want to spark their marriage up. As you can imagine, the ideas are basically unlimited. So the first thing I like to do is I like to solve problems. I like to have a product that solves a problem. Now, if I have a sales page, which I usually do, of course, and I have everything that I need, like a thank you page, everything is already there. The only thing I need to do is I need to go to Google Ads and spark up the ad, target specific keywords, and get that ad fired up. With AI these days, you can easily use ChatGPT. You can easily use Claude in order to go ahead and come up with the ad copy. You can tell ChatGPT, like I do, I'm promoting this product via Google Ads. Give me 5 titles and 5 descriptions for this Google ad that could potentially generate 10 sales a day. Now, whenever you do this, make sure you say every bit of ad copy that you create, rate it 1 out of 10. And rate it for sales and also rate it for click-through rate. So you want ChatGPT to go ahead and do this for you because AI is going to be honest with you. It don't matter if it's ChatGPT, it doesn't matter if it's Claude, no matter what it is, DeepSeek, they're going to be honest with you. And whenever you get those honest ratings, you want to focus on the ones with the highest ratings. So this is what I like to do no matter what product I am promoting. So I choose my product that solves a problem. I head over to Google Ads and I spark up that ad. The keywords that I choose, I use the Google keyword tool in order to see what people are searching for. I see how many people are searching for these keywords, and I just look at everything that I need to look at and do my due diligence on this process, of course, of sparking up this Google ad. Again, while everybody else is focused on telling you to run Facebook ads 24/7, which Facebook ads are amazing, and I have trainings to talk about Facebook ads. But one thing nobody is talking about or telling you is that the fastest way to generate sales, of course, when it comes to myself and many people that I've taught, is Google ads. Because again, not only will those ads be live within hours, but these are people around the world that intentionally go to google.com and search to solve their problem. And if your product is on the other end, every single click that comes through is a potential sale. So imagine getting 100 clicks a day and getting 5 purchases a day at $30 a pop. What is $150 a day and $4,500 a month selling simple PDF documents?